bringing the cat food. Hope she does not come inside while I'm doing this. Because we don't need another cat coming inside. I'm getting done. I can just pour that out. I need to set the phone down. She may come crying to the door. Hi! Hi! Hi, baby! Hi! Hi! Come on, come here! Ma! Ma! Where's your box? Lead me to your box, please. I want to see where the box is. Come on, this way. Go this way, buddy, bud. This way. I want you. Hi. Excited to have food, huh? Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to kick you. I'm so sorry. You're just in the way. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to kick you. I did not mean to. Look how dark it is. Look how dark it can be outside. Oh, it actually looks nice. Aiden. I did not know Aiden's going to have those lights everywhere. It was nice. Hi, hi. Bob, you're a baby cat. You are a baby cat. This is so dark. This is why I don't like coming outside at night that much. Oh, hi. There's Molly. Demonize. What you doing out on the deck? What are you doing out here, Bushy? You can see her little ears. What are you doing out here? Hi.
What you got?
Phone.
Where's the food?
Oh, there.
She's hungry. Can you check her water? Tyler don't want
She drinks some of it. Yeah, I want her to have extra food. And look up there.
Huh?
Look up there.
Okay, before you go in, I need you to put this on the table.
Okay, on the
The
table.
last time I was here, she went to eat it, it was full of ants.
Ants.
Yeah, they found them.
Okay.
So just when she gets done nibbling or whatever, put it on the table and let her know what it is.
Alright.
I don't know why, but yeah. I picked it up the other day. I was wondering why she wasn't eating it. It was full of ants. Okay.
Yeah, she is hungry.
She's had 2 of those little orange cups today.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait. What happened to the other? So you threw the others away?
I put them over here, pick them up already.
Ah. But that cat up there doesn't like it.
She's getting better.
Yeah, but not. She's not as like mad as before, but still mad.
I mean, she's not hissing or anything, you know.
Which is good.
That's what it does. It takes them a minute to.
No, it's they're not friendly. They're friendly. So you just found this cat like when you're taking out the trash?
And like I said, I saw her a couple days before that. When I came out, she came walking over there.
She's
Did
like,
she say hi to you when you came out?
yeah, she was like there, like dead center right there, right here.
Yeah.
I was like, oh hi, how are you? How are you? No. Look at Aiden's lights though. Look at.
I know they put a few extras up, right?
Yeah. When I looked over, I was like, oh, what happened?
Yeah, I noticed the other day it's like stringing the trees instead of around them.
Different improvement. Nice. I guess you don't have to water the grass. That when it rained like the other night, I guess the grass got watered twice.
Yeah. It didn't flood though. I mean, it was more like lightning and thunder.
Yeah, when I woke up to that, I was like, oh crap, cats.
It wasn't like flooding and rain. It was just like
Yeah,
loud.
it was loud. I was like, oh crap, cats. So I didn't message you about that.
When I went out, she was out in the yard, and I told her, I called her, she came to me, I said, that was pretty cool. You know,
Yeah.
she came to me and trusted me, and I put her in the garage.
What happened to a box? Did I get wet too?
Oh yeah, it got destroyed. It's over there.
Towel.
What'd you say? She's hungry.
Yeah, she is. Just always, like, the cat's eyes on camera look so funny and demonic at the same time. If you, like, step back a bit, you can see you can see Putty. Every time I come outside to check on the young Ying, she just goes there, she's like, meow. She meows once, so I was like, I meow back. And then she's like, I will not meow for the next 5 minutes or the next time we go inside.
Yeah.
She just sits and stares. Look how much food she ate.
Still eating, I know. You don't want to, that'll be enough though, because sometimes, like, if you leave it out, like a raccoon or something will come around and eat it, so there's no need to have a ton over, a ton of it at night. Okay?
Okay. But she is hungry.
Yeah, definitely was. Still pretty skinny. It takes, when they're that hungry and that starving, it takes a while for their body to actually start holding on to it, so just burning all of it,
Yeah.
So she won't be so skinny.
Like Molly Cat.
She was the same way. I'll put her.
Sorry that I took your shoes.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
She gets done, like, just put it on the table, let her know you put it on the table, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right here.
I accidentally kicked her. I did not mean to. She got in the way.
Yeah, you have to walk around. She does do that. She doesn't know that she's doing
Yeah. Hi, Poo-Poo. Are you okay? You're hungry, huh? Cat. I'll end the video here. I'm just gonna chill here in this chair. Watch YouTube until the cat finishes. I don't know. But she is skinny. Like my dad said, she found her a few days before me and Gracie found out. And we had this cat roaming around. Sorry, foot cam. Foot. We had that cat. Oh, nope. Focus. Light focus on cat. I didn't. We had that cat for like a week. Probably like a week. She's been chilling. Friendly, yet chilling. And me and Gracie and Dad, Mom, and Gracie and I assumed this cat has been around people or had owners because of how friendly she is. And I'm gonna, like I said earlier, I'm gonna sit in this chair, end the video, watch YouTube until the cat finishes her food. Hand. Bye.